We at Baker Collision Express in Columbia, South Carolina, are looking for a master certified technician, someone who spent the last 5 to 10 years of their professional career perfecting their craft. We realize that in most traditional collision shops that when you reach mastery, you've reached the end of the line. At Baker, you're at the beginning of the line.
If you are looking to raise the ceiling on your career, if you feel like you've kind of maxed out where you're at, we'd love to have you here. It's a great place to be.
I feel like one of our significant competitive advantages is the fact that we create and believe in career paths. What we'll be bringing you to Baker is the culture and the craftsmanship that we create here. When the cars are finished here at Baker, that's our business card. That's what people see, and that's what we take our pride in.
Columbia is a growing area. There's a lot going on here, a lot coming.
If you have dreamed at some point in your life about living somewhere where the sun shines almost every day, this is a great place to live. If you're qualified, we know you have a job. We're offering you a career.
We're looking for the master technician that's ready to get out of a tough environment, to come somewhere where the sun shines and people are smiling.
Come work for Baker Collision Express in Columbia, South Carolina today.